I'm online.
Abby.
Hi, online. I'm Abby.
I am offline.
Abby, get out.
Ow! It hurts. Everything hurts. That
Remember,
explains a lot.
you do have an invisibility thing. So if you're getting absolutely murdered, then just turn it on.
Murder.
Oh, that's smart. Why didn't I think of that?
Go invisible and they won't shoot at you anymore. That's like the whole point, Abby.
Alright. I'm not smart. Alright.
Yeah, we know.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, I want the people. People. Consider lowering the difficulty. Okay, fuck you. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. If I die because you guys portal on, well, that sucks.
See when you out, get back, Vampy.
Don't fall in the toilet.
What? Ah. These people are breaking the social distancing laws around me. Stay away.
Respect my boundaries.
You're a shotgun character.
Shh. That's irrelevant. Oh no. Ow, I still got frozen by that. That's so rude.
Aww, you gonna cry?
Alright, alright then. Alright, oh yeah, soon if you want to fly, there's a... Okay, okay then.
Whoa.
I am mommy. What do you expect?
No! No, I am being assaulted. I'm not comfortable with this.
I'm just watching.
You have a shotgun. You literally have a go away button.
The go away forever button.
Don't come near me. Suna is a cyberbully? Yeah, Suna is definitely a cyberbully.
What do you mean?
Okay, wait, how does this family dynamic work out? I know I'm like the older sister or whatever, or mommy in some context. But what the fuck is Sun? Is Sun just like that one chaotic cousin that you see at family reunions and then never again for the rest of the year?
It's the family dog.
The dog! You're the family dog, but you like bite. Just nibble on people's arms.
Vampy, you should get this one. I think it would suit your character.
What?
The one that lets you fly.
No.
I can literally fly already. Come.
I am getting tossed around like a rag. Ow! Ragdoll.
You have stealth and a shotgun.
We're gonna hear that line a lot.
That Sox is using forever.
Oh, Abby!
Oops.
Abby, I hate you.
Oops!
Abby does.
I was reading chat and I was like, oh, that's a red item. That's cool. And I was like, wait, it's coming towards me.
Well.
Get away from me.
Risk of rain, more like risk of Abby stealing your red item.
Okay. Oh, this is a corpse. That's what it is.
Eat it.
What?
Consume its
What?
flesh.
Cannibalism is a-okay.
As long
Alright
as you
then.
don't kill them.
A basic
Oh,
human right.
Wait, Vamps. Vamps, there's a red item here I got for you.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
Abby just
Don't
wants
forget.
redemption. I'm not gonna get it.
Why? Vampy, please.
That's why.
Just bully. Just bully. Just bully. Just bully. It's
I'm
fine.
being bullied. It's
One like
killing
bop
me.
it meme. It's like bop it, twist it, spin it, kill your parents,
What? Oh.
kill your parents. But
You ever just suck ass? Yeah, I do it every day.
man. Oh, did somebody get the drone over here? I was gonna get. Yeah.
Oopsies.
Abby just stealing all of my
I'm
shit.
sorry.
Abby made a
I'm
fuck you up.
sorry. I'm sorry, Vampy.
Holy shit!
I
this
know
is
where
like
it
having
hurts,
a
I
Jenkins
just-
rifle
it's-
in Borderlands.
You have a shot.
I
It
basically have a
hurts,
Jacob's shotgun.
Vampy.
Well, you need a band-aid? You
Yeah.
need to kiss your boo.
Got
Please
another
do.
fucking cylinder syringe. I don't need
You,
these.
you gonna cry?
I died so fast.
Vamps, vamps, I'm in danger, vamps.
I'm protecting soon. I can't help you right now.
Can I also come and protect soon?
Okay, I'm safe now. Oh god, I'm not safe. Hello. I'm
Hi.
here now.
I did my best.
I regret
You
to
did
inform
great.
you, I might have brought a boss to you.
Wow, Abby, not poggers.
Not Pog.
Oh
Okay,
boy.
correction to what I said. You can come over and be safe with me if you're not dragging a fucking boss behind you.
Uh,
How many Lemurians did you bring?
Theyre.
there is only
dead.
one following me.
Rip Dandy.
Ow, 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 ow.
Ow.
It hurts. It hurts. I feel bullied.
Most of his health down, and then he just like
Yeah, they can just melt you if you're not careful.
he just slapped my booty cheeks, and I was like, okay.
Been there before.
No, I don't want to get my bum cheeks smashed.
You listen.
You with your bum cheeks.
I'm
Oh my
idle.
God.
Why am I? I'm scared.
Booty cheeks.
pretty bum cheeks.
Guys, stop, Abby's a virgin.
What?
Hmm?
Huh? Ah, they're getting too close to me.
You
Yeah,
have a shotgun!
Stay away. Stay away, please.
Press the
No.
go away button. 120 shots on your mouse one, what the hell?
It just keeps going up.
Abby,
No.
go stealth!
It was on cooldown.
No, it wasn't!
Yes, it was.
We can literally see your cooldowns. It was not on cooldown.
No, I don't. A Neko girl's just hairless furry cat.
Yeah? Abby.
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 This is my name.
A baby.
Okay, okay.
Baby.
It's
I'm
a
not a
baby.
baby. I'm not a baby. I hate this. I hate
Baby.
it. I hate it here.
Baby.
Aw, baby.
Three tri-tipped cocks.
What?
Oh.
What?
I'm scared.
Told you Abby's a virgin.
Why do you keep bringing that up?
Load out.
What the fuck was that? Do it again. Oh.
Absolute. What? Why?
Hey.
Okay.
Hey!
Oh, I see. I have died.
You died?
Abby!
Abby.
Okay, I
I'm
tried to
sorry.
make
The neighbors
Abby.
came and they were like, "You want these apples?" And I was like, "Okay."
You want these apples?
I'm gonna eat cake and play Risk of Rain 2, and yeah.
I was
Wow.
eating cake earlier. It was very yummy.
Eating cake? I thought you were a virgin.
What?
Oh, you're talking to
Oh
Abby.
my
I was about to
God.
say,
Oh my god. Okay.
I was gonna say it, but I was like, I've been pretty on it today. I'm glad you went for it. Good dog.
Mom,
Sorry,
come
you didn't
pick
want
me
to
up.
thank
This
you.
isn't Bible study.
Thank you, Pillow Cat.
Take it.
I need to just highlight this entire stream and just name the
More
clip
debuffs.
like Abby is a virgin.
Why?
It's the running joke.
I don't-
You enjoying your cake, Abby?
Very much so, yeah. I'm gonna get fat off of this.
Okay.
It's okay, I'm already fat.
Get more cake from your cake.
What?
More cake for your cake.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Abby, if you don't understand that, it just means you're a virgin.
No, I understand. Okay, Vampy.
Yeah.
He was like talking about some girl he met on Tinder who was like super kinky. He was like, I'm not really into that. And I'm like, okay.
You never know until you try.
Yeah.
Oh. I mean. Oh,
Shut up, Abby, you're a virgin.
Okay, okay, yes, ma'am.
Oh my girlfriend is calling me.
Imagine having a girlfriend. Couldn't be me. I tried my best shot. My shot didn't work.
Fuck, hold on.
Oop.
We get it, Abby. You're a virgin.
Alright. Okay. Wait, Vamps.
Hmm.
Did I tell you how my English teacher called me a wonderful young woman?
Yes.
Yeah.
Did she also call you a virgin?
Okay. Okay. Why is it targeting me?
So knows you're a virgin.
Okay. Okay. All right then.
This squirrel can
Papa.
smell virgins from a mile away.
Old guillotine.
Omae mo shinderu.
Then
No, Abby says Nani. She's the one that's already
Nani?
dead. There you go. Good girl.
Ooh.
Did you just ooh?
No. Ow. It hurts. Ow, my legs. They hurt. Ow. Ow. Ow, ow!
Imagine if the
Ow.
fucking challenge.
Oh, he hurts. He hurts me. Ow.
he's dead. Don't worry.
Oh, ow, that hurts.
He
Ow,
comes.
ow. I got hit by a cow. Ow. Ow. My legs.
He's
Ow,
in
I'm
the PP.
burning. Ow. 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 Ouchies.
Oh, what the
Ow, ow,
fuck?
ow, ow.
Why
Ow,
does it
ow,
knock you
ow,
back
ow.
so
Ow, ow,
far?
Ow, 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 ow.
Yo,
Rocket
thank you,
Lane.
Abby. How you doing?
I'm doing good. Okay.
I just had
Okay.
to ask. After
Okay.
all that
Oh, I need
bullying
to
I did you.
Green dot.